Howdy. Today we got the Marlin lever action 22 LR caliber. This is the original golden 39 AS.
Golden boy.
You can see it's got the golden trigger. It's got gold finishes around the buttstock.
Beautiful, beautiful firearm.
Yeah, this is a really nice gun.
Nice piece.
It's got nice sights.
Let's take a look at these sights.
Yep, gold sight, gold tip on the front sight.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Get that nice vision, nice optic.
It's got a nice long barrel. I'm not sure how long this one is. Probably around, I would say maybe 20, 22 inches.
Hold it right here and you'll say about 30 inches.
Yep. So
nice long firearm.
Yeah, this gun's a nice shooter. We're just gonna go ahead and put the tube through it.
Get our ears on.
Let's get our ear protection on.
It's lock and load, baby.
Again, we're up here in beautiful Leominster, New Hampshire. We're shooting our steel plates. So let's get after it.
20 rounds. Cycle that a few times.
There she is. Yep, she's open. All
nice,
clear.
For the viewers, cycle it. Beautiful. What are your thoughts on this firearm?
Very nice 22. Very fun to go plinking around. It's a very high quality firearm. You can feel the quality of the build.
Marlin?
The action cycles very smoothly, very clean.
Nice Marlin.
That's Marlin for you. Make very...
The older Marlins are the nice ones.
Yep.
The new ones, they kind of lackluster in the production once they moved to New York. But the ones in Connecticut, those are the nice ones.
Yep, this one was manufactured in North Haven, Connecticut.
Those are the ones to find.
Yep.
Not easy and not cheap.
No, this rifle's probably around $1,000 if you could find one used.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very worth the money. Nice gun to do some small game hunting with. You can get anything from squirrels, porcupines, raccoons, whatever you need to get.
Damn coons.
This thing will do it. This thing is like a very nice small game rifle. Nice easy cycle, very accurate sights, right on target wherever you put it. So we had a lot of fun shooting this one today, and thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.